Well guys, so today I will be showing you how you can do the foldable concept in the mobiles using Flutter. Okay, so I came up using these these two dribble specs. So one is this one and the second is this one. So what my thought is, see, you can create foldable UIs when you have this type of layout, when you have one left layout, one center layout and the third layout. So basic concept will be, when it is in mobile state, only this can be shown, or this and this can be shown, and when it is unfolded, it becomes a tablet, it comes into landscape mode, and this complete is shown here. Okay, so all complete screen is shown. Similarly, in this case also, it is just an email app. Okay, so you can show this part in I will say mobile mode, and when it is unfolded, when it is full-fledged landscape mode or it's a tablet, it can be shown like this, left side, center side and the right side. So taking elements from here, I am going to create the UI. I will just explain the concept. I will not create whole of the UI. I will just create the blocks instead of this UI. Okay, so let's get to this. We have our project here. Okay, so this is my app, and I have already created colors. I have taken colors, so I will explain you why I have written these colors. It's just a list of colors, and I am just making a method get random colors, where I am using list of colors and passing a random index. Okay, so because of this, I am getting a random color out of these colors every time, and this is a light gray color, which is background of this. Okay, only these two colors we need right now. Okay, so in my main.dart we have this container. So first of all, I will create a dashboard. Okay, it has a material app, Flutter demo and dashboard. Okay, now let's go to pages folder, which I already created, and in this we will create a dashboard. Right, let's import material first and create a stateless widget. Okay, and let's name it as dashboard. Fine. So what will happen in this, basically you need to have first of all a scaffold. Right now there is no provision that there is a foldable scaffold or folding scaffold or unfoldable scaffold, so we will be doing it manually, and it can be a proposal to the Flutter team that they can create a foldable scaffold where you can pass in 3 children, and that can be handled automatically when the phone is in folded state and when the phone is in unfolded state. Okay, so what I would suggest is, now in scaffold we have a body. Okay, and here we should have a column, and before that app bar. So in our app bar we can have a title as text widget. You can just call it dashboard for now, and color, background color can be white. Okay, so we are done with the app bar. Now idea is, it's not a column, we will create 3 rows. Okay, and inside that 3 children. Our first child will be menu bar. We will create it. So this will represent this particular items. Okay, if you remember, this can be collapsible navigation bar also from my previous video. The link is in the card above. Okay, and the second will be our bulletin board. We are just giving some names because this is a bulletin board, and then this will be called as trivial details. Okay, so we have these 3, right? Then menu bar, bulletin board and trivial details. Now let's create, first of all let's import our dashboard in our main.dart, and then let's come to dashboard. Let's create menu bar first. Okay, I'm creating menu bar. Right, again this will be importing material and stateless widget. Let's call it menu bar, and inside this list view dot separated. Okay, so it will be build context. I think you will understand what I am doing here. So I will be creating a menu bar which is a list. Now it can be anything, it can be a column of items, it can be a list which can be scrolled. Okay, so this will just return a container, right? and inside it decoration. So I am creating this icon, but as I said, I won't be creating each icon. I will be creating a rectangle out of, means I will be showing a box here. Okay, so this is a box decoration, and color will be get random color. Fine, let's import it, and then radius will be 20 something. Yep. Now fine, so we have created this. Now let's create the width of this. Width will be 70. Yep, and this can be inside a center widget. Also, this list should be inside a container, because we need to change the width of this container when it is in unfolded state. Now after this I will be explaining you how you will handle it. Okay, so this is the width can be 70 and this can be 50, and padding also we can add. Okay, so it will be symmetric, horizontal 10, that's it. And in the separator are nothing but there is a gap in between all these icons, huh? So this is the separator. Fine. Separator basically whatever is your size, suppose it's 5, so whatever the size of list is 5, it will run for 4 times, and this item builder will run 5 times. Okay, so same we can return a sized box of height 30, that would be okay. Yep. Now okay, let's try to run it, and let's see if we comment these two how this looks. Let's see. I'm just running it, and can be a little bigger, so it will take 1 or 2 seconds, not more than that. Okay, so now it is running, it's loading here, and it is showing nothing. So why so? Because let's, okay, so dashboard is there. We have done something wrong here. It's a menu bar. Okay, maybe fine. So let's inspect it here. What is the issue? Menu bar. Okay, it's there, but there is nothing. So let's go to menu bar. Try to add a color. Okay, color is already okay. So let's add color green. Let's check it. Okay, it was there, but something happened. So okay, fine. In menu bar, I have this list view dot separated. Okay, maybe height. Yep. Okay, now I have all. So we'll remove this color, and these are my 5 icons. Okay, so as you can see, there is an elevation for the title. Let's remove that first. Elevation is 0, and let's run it. Okay, and also style, wait, style, text style. We are giving color to our dashboard text. Okay, it's for title. Fine, what happened? Okay, never mind, we will leave it as it is right now. So our main concept is, now you need to decide whether this phone is in foldable state or not. Okay, so for that what you need is take a variable double width equals to media query dot context dot size dot width. Okay, now this is your width. Take a variable bool is folded equals to if width is greater than equals to 550. Just I am taking a random value based on my experience. Why I am doing this? Will it not be called multiple times, or how it will be called, how much time it will be called? Let's check that. So build of dashboard, this is my print statement in dashboard, If I go to main and if I build this, build of my app. Now I want to show you something. We will see the output, what prints how many times, okay, and when we change the rotation. So now my app got called 2 times, my app, dashboard, dashboard. Now if I rotate this phone, this got called, only build of dashboard. It means now Flutter team has to work on this, that our scaffold, it's not bad that scaffold is getting rebuilt, but if there can be a way in case of foldable phones that the scaffold is not built again, means this dashboard is not built again. So if there is a possibility, they need to think of, otherwise it's working, it's not bad, it's working. Okay, so if I see this, see the colors are also changed because it's rebuilt, right? So our foldable state will be mobile and unfoldable will be this thing. Okay, now you might be wondering, when I rotate this phone, when it's unfoldable, this notch is coming on top of menu bar. So to handle this, we have one thing. Go to menu, wrap your container inside safe area, okay, and tell that top unit false, right, left unit false, right, and bottom unit false. Otherwise it will be all true. Now let's run it. Okay, left unit true. Now let's run it. Yep, so it has moved here. You can actually remove it, not required. Now it is working. If I rotate it, it's looking same. If I make it unfoldable, it looks like this. Okay, and this is our menu bar. So now let's come back to what will happen actually. What you can do is, when it is in the folded state, you can have this width 70. When it is in unfolded state, it can be something else. So let's take a variable here, menu bar is folded, right, and let's create a final variable, right. Now based on this is folded, it means it is in mobile. If it is unfolded, this width should be 100. And how we can check it, we will change the color. Okay, let's see what happens. So when it is folded means when it is in mobile state, the width of menu bar will be 70. When it is unfolded, it will be 100. How you will pass this value here in the dashboard? You need to pass is folded, right? How is folded is calculated? Sorry, this condition is wrong. So if it is folded, its width should be less than 550 or whatever you take it. Okay, so let's run it. So this is the green. Now if I rotate it, it becomes little bit bigger. Okay, now this can be handled actually afterwards. That is not an issue. It's just a concept that I am telling you. Okay, fine. So okay, fine. So now out of this menu bar, I think you have understood the concept now. Same thing we will be applying here. For bulletin board, it will be shown always, but trivial details will be shown whenever there is a change in the state of the phone. Okay, so let's create bulletin board now, or before that let's optimize it. As you can see, we have a curve here and a curve here. So how we can design is, we can take this complete in a container, and there is a inside another container. Okay, so this is our menu bar, and in this container we can I would say add a decoration, right, and radius can be border radius only bottom right, and it will be 20, or let's take it 30. Yep, and this should be inside a container which has some color, and that color is light gray. Now if you see, this is a container which has this gray color, and there is a above container which has this curve. Okay, let's run it. Okay, no issues. We can comment this, and now you have this gray color, but there is no container here because we are not giving any color to this container. Inside container it should be colors.white, so that the curve is here. See this, as you can see here. Okay, fine. Also this list view has some above padding, so it should have above padding as top 20, and the items are below. Now let's make bulletin board. Now there is a concept here. See, let me just create a bulletin board. Okay, import integer stateless, and again bulletin board. Okay, fine. Inside this also you have a list view. Anything you can take, it's up to you completely, and same thing we can copy. Actually we can copy this complete. There is no problem in this, only the size of items will change, nothing else. So list view dot separated, right? Inside this width. Okay, width we won't give. I will tell you why. First of all, you need to, okay, I will tell you that also now, later. Okay, so in the container what you can do is take the height as 200, right? Item size can be 3. Fine. Now this is your dashboard. Implement it and let's try to run it. Okay, nothing is shown. I think there is an error. Yes, definitely. So for that I would suggest you wrap it inside expanded, because we want it to take complete space after menu bar. Okay, okay, as you can see now you have this list, and we need some padding also. So let's wrap it inside a container. No, not like this. This should be wrapped inside a container. Okay, with padding all 20. Just taking anything, that is not a problem. I'm just making a UI. Okay, understanding the concept of this. Okay, now you can see it. Fine. So this is how you have done. Now suppose you have another layout, dart. You have trivial details and do the same stuff. Sorry. Fine. Trivial details. Now this is also same to our this one, but we will make it different. So this is just a column with some children, as it is looking like this, so I will be making like this. Okay, so inside this it will be a container, color get random, right? And height can be 300 for the first one, and also this should be inside expanded. There is a reason to do this. Okay, because what you need is this has fixed width, but this has expanded so that it takes complete space when it is in mobile state. This also has expanded so that this takes complete space when it is unfolded. This is the mandate thing that you have to do here. Now you need to decoration, box decoration. Okay, this color will go inside, otherwise it will show a error. And radius, right? Let's try to run it, but nothing will show. Let's go to dashboard and take this out. implement it, and inside this take our constructor, reveal details. This dot is folded, right? And let's take a variable is folded. Oh, not needed. So then what you can do, this is a column. Let's do it. Let's take this quickly. So again, creating a row and copying this container 2 times. Let's take the height as 80 odd, and fine, and same here, right? And there is will be a space between, so main axis element. Let's run it. Oh, you can see this is how it is shown here, but okay, so width also needs to be done because it's a inside row, so let's take it 100. Now you can see these two. Now this is an error definitely, so what you can do is take out this complete inside a variable or inside a method. That's it. Build layout, and I would say do it like this so that you understand it better, and return it. Okay, now let's work on this. Now if it is folded, do a container only, and if it is unfolded, build the layout. So if it is in mobile state, don't show this at all. If it is in unfolded state, show it. Okay, so let's run it, and now it's not shown, it's working fine. Now if I rotate this phone, it shows like this. That is not an issue. You can take it inside list view, or yeah, take it inside list view rather, so that we don't have this issue. How easy it is to do in Flutter, you know. You can take anything inside anything and make it work. We had a column, since we wanted a scroll, so we made it inside a list view. So let's run it again, and now it looks like this. Let's add some padding so that it looks good. Okay, I'm running it again. Okay, now it's look good. This is your third layout, this is your second layout, this is your first layout. Rotate the phone. Okay, only 2 layouts are shown, nothing is shown. So this is the concept what I was trying to explain you. You can make means actually this is not a new concept, this is just a landscape that we are doing here, and yep, I will suggest. So this is in landscape mode, but when the foldable phones come to the market, this will be your unfolded state, and this will be your folded state. So I guess this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you're liking the content, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos, and yeah, keep learning Flutter. Thank you.